Hello everyone, I'm going to show you a day in my life here in Singapore, and right now, it's already 12:28 in the morning. So nandito ako sa hotel kung saan kami nag-book. Hindi na ako nakapag-introduction sa bahay earlier kasi sobrang nagmamadali ako. Around 2 a.m. pa lang, umalis na ako ng bahay para sa, baka kasi malate ako sa flight ko. And by the way, ang babait ng mga tao dito kasi they allowed me to film a quick vlog, kaya super thankful ako. And so today, papakita ko sa inyo what my day 1 looks like here in Singapore. And for my first experiences, legal moment, hanggang sa mga unexpected naganap. And first time ko rin mag-international flight. So, everything feels extra special and exciting. At hindi lang pala ako mag-isa dito kasi kasama ko yung together with my faculty. And samahan niyo ako as I explore, learn, and enjoy this new place. And let's make memories together. So, this is my Singapore day 1. And now I'm here inside the airport to check my luggage kung ilang kilos na siya. And actually, I already weighed it earlier and it was 12 kilos. But the required weight is only 10 kilos. Kaya ginawa ko, tinanggal ko yung ibang gamit ko including my shoes kasi medyo mabigat na siya. And finally, I got my ticket and nakapag-interview na rin ako sa immigration. I just want to share what happened earlier. Tinanong lang naman ako kung sino yung kasama ko. Then I said kasama ko yung faculty. After that, they asked for my ID. Then I proceeded na sa check-in area to remove my accessories sa kamay. Pero bago ako mag-check-in, hinarang muna ako ng isang babae and in-interview ulit ako. She asked me if I'm already working and I said, yes po. Hindi ko sinabi, opo, ate. Then I told her I am a teacher at Christ Gospel Academy in Makati. After that, she checked the paper I was holding just to confirm kung saan ako naka-book na hotel. So, kinakabahan lang ako ng very light kasi medyo tudula ako that time. Kaya siguro ako hinarang that time. So, ayun, nakasakay na ako. And it's going to be a few hours na biyahe papuntang Singapore. Finally, after 4 hours of travel, nandito na kami sa Changi Airport, Singapore. Grabe, sobrang ganda dito. Pagdating pa lang namin, sobrang linis and very aesthetic talaga. And right now, papunta kami sa may mga garden nila dito, yung dinadayo ng mga tao. Just to take picture, yung mga mala-aesthetic na place na perfect for IG chat. Chat? Conversation yarn? Shit. And now, papunta na kami sa hotel kung saan kami nag-book here at Ibis Budgetary. Medyo excited na rin ako makita yung room at makapagpahinga after the long trip. As you can see, naglalakad kami papuntang hotel kasi nag-MRT kami papunta dito since medyo mahal mag-grab. This place is Taiwan, right? Finally, nandito na kami sa hotel at papasok na kami para ilagay ang gamit namin kasi after pala nito magpapahinga lang saglit, then naalis agad going to Marina Bay. So ayun, nandito na kami sa room. Bali, tatlo kaming nandito. Kasama ko si Pastor Neil, the head director of the school, and may co-teacher na si Sir Bong. Dalawa yung bed setup. One's good for 2 person, then yung isa naman it's a single bed. Honestly, medyo goods naman siya. Simple but clean, and maayos, comfortable na rin for us to rest. Yung CR okay din, malinis and organized, kaya okay na rin for our stay. After settling in, ngayon naman papunta kami sa Marina Bay, yung place kung saan makikita yung Merlion na naglalabas ng tubig. Perfect spot talaga for picture, and super excited na akong makita yon in person, and of course, mag-picture-picture kami doon. Then later, may magtitreat din pala sa amin for dinner, which is sobrang blessing. It's actually the mother of a former student from CJA. Dati nag-aaral yung anak niya doon, and super thankful kami for that gesture. So ayun, samahan niyo pa rin ako as we explore more here in Singapore, more lakad, more kain, and more memories in day 1. Hello everyone, today it is a time to find the beat.
Hawak mo ang beat.
Para hanapin ang beat. Imagine, galing from Philippines tapos to Singapore para mahanap ang bitang hanggang ngayon hindi pa natin nahanap. Diba? So, nakakaling na ba?
I think she knows where is the beat.
Siya ang tunay na beat. And now, it's dinner time. Honestly, hindi ko na masyadong nakuhanan yung ibang ganap namin kasi super gutom na rin kami. But we were finally able to meet mother and daddy who treated us tonight. So grabe, ang daming pagkain. As in day 1 pa lang, may blessing na agad. So we're really thankful for this. Sobrang sarap sa feeling na ganito yung welcome sa amin here in Singapore.
Salamat po.
Ano masasabi?
Best.
Lubos-lubosin na dahil bukas may bayad.
Bayad na.
Ano masasabi mo, ma'am?
Yummy.
Sabi, Ma'am Cindy.
Wala akong masabi.
Miss Opportunity. By the way, I just want to share kung bakit kami nandito sa Singapore. We actually have a 2 days seminar of East Asia School of Theology. Then for the remaining days, we'll be touring around Singapore. Nauna lang yung tour namin because the seminar will be happen on Thursday and Friday. So parang mix of work and travel na rin. After namin kumain, nagkayaan kaming mga boys mag-coffee near our hotel lang naman. Siyempre sumama ko, I ordered a Milo Dinosaur na honestly masarap siya, simple but satisfying. The price was around $2 which is dito sa Pilipinas mga 90 plus siya. So ayun, that's how our day 1 went. Travel, blessing, good food and good company. Hindi man lahat na vlog but the experience was definitely memorable. Wait for the day 2. Bye!